Boys and girls, today we are going to review words that have the IR sound. So remember, IR makes the sound er. So for our first word, we're going to write the word stir. And I just want you to worry about writing it 3 times. So let's write st-er. Okay? Stir. S-T-I-R. And let's write it one more time. S-T-I-R. Good. The next word we're going to write is a word that describes what sound a bird makes that has an in it. It's chirp. Ch-er-p. Chirp. Ch-er-p. One more time. Ch-er. Chirp. So I just barely said this word, but it's the little thing that makes the chirping sound is called a what? Bird. B-er-d. B-er-d. One more time. Bird. B-er-d. Good. So our last word that we're going to write is something you can play in outside where you'll get your hands dirty. D-er-t. You play in the dirt. D-er-t. And last one. D-er-t. Dirt. On the next side, we have a crossword puzzle, and we have a bunch of IR words. So when you see a crossword, you're going to see these this week. The first thing you do is read the words at the bottom so you know what the words are, and then you can fill in where they go using the clues. So the first one is chirp, chirp. B-er-d, bird. St-er, stir. Thirsty, thirsty. This one is fir, like a tree. First, first. Girl, girl. Dirt, dirt. And our last word is shirt. Shirt, shirt. So then a strategy you can use is once you've read the words, you can go and find where they go, and when you found the spot, then you cross it off. So if I look right here, that's an easy one to do. That is a shirt. Shh. Oops. Sh. Shirt. Okay, so I wrote shirt there. And then I cross it off. And then I look at the next one. So this one is the birds, and what do they do with their mouths? They chirp. Chirp. And let's find another one. This is a girl. G-er-l. Girl. Girl. Okay, now I look at this one. This one is first. First. Now, if I look at the tree and it starts with an F and ends with an R, we just need to put the I there for fur. Okay, so the dog is licking from its bowl because it is what? Thirsty. Thirsty. And what do they do to the bowl here? Starts with an S. Stir. Stir. Okay, we have two more. So this little thing is called a bird. So let's write B-R-D. And the last one that we haven't used is dirt. All right, boys and girls, very good. Turn this in where your teacher would have you turn it in. Make sure your name is at the top.